Okay, if we take a look at this pound yen now. I waited from the beginning of the week. I wanted to sell this 143.54 level, which was a first bullish thrusts low, which had been tested, held the market, and then removed. So we got a nice chance to go short. Everyone on the webinar would have been able to see that one. Um, the following day, we didn't really follow it through as much as I'd like. But Friday we have made the close below the final bullish thrusts low, 142.08. So it's starting to look a little bit better now, and we made a new low as well from the previous day. So I'm kind of starting to like the look of this now. We're coming up to the last week in the month. We're gonna start a new month. I think if the bears really want to take control here, they're going to have to remove this level this week, the 138.99 level. I'm pretty sure this level's going to, I think they're going to have a go at removing this level because it is the last week in the month. So, I mean, a close, if we hold this level again to the close this month, then the bears are going to start to struggle from here. So that's what I'd like to see. I'd like to see that 138.99 level removed at the end of this week to close out the month, and we can then push on down towards the first target level down here, 125.88. I'll take some profits on the weekly chart at 131.96, and then I'll hold the other position I've got to the 125 level. So yeah, if we can remove this level this week, that would be nice. Possible setups at the moment. I think it's worth probably tomorrow, early part of the week, taking any signals that we get on this 142.08 level to sell, because it is the final thrusts low, which was held to the close and then removed to the close. Slightly worried possibly because it's not like it was just touched and it held. We actually went right through it and then came up, so I'm not quite as convinced. But if we can get some good signals, 15 minute, 30 minute, 5 minute, then I would take it. So again, like some of the other pairs, I'm going to have to just watch these levels carefully this week and just kind of see how things are looking at the time. I think the US dollar yen is coming up to some really strong resistance. We're posting a high count on there for a sell setup, and the pound's looking quite bad against the dollar. So that's telling me that this week could look quite bearish for the pound yen. I certainly hope so anyway, obviously because I'm short, but at the moment it's what the charts are telling me. Obviously, I can be wrong, and I'll be prepared for that. If I have to go long at any point, I will. But basically, the charts are telling me here that the only trade in play right now is the short one. So that's what I'll be looking for this week. I mean, we're still gonna be only looking for shorts unless we can move 145 to a weekly close, or we can break this 152.30 level. So until any of that two scenarios happens, there's nothing else here but to go short. And if we can break this lower bat support, I mean that starts to take the parity, sorry, not parity, the 100 level into play, certainly on the weekly, and it's already in play on the second target on the monthly, which I think if we can remove this level to the monthly close, the 138.99, I think we'll certainly head down to the 118 low and remove that and go down towards the 100 level. So that's what I'm looking for here. The only thing that'll dampen that view on the weekly basis is the close above this 145 level. But currently, we've had a nice failure there on the week. If we could possibly open lower tonight, and even close below this double thrust level, then that'll kick the week off nicely. It's basically it's what I want to happen, and it's what I can see anyway at the moment. But obviously things can change. But yeah, that's what I'll be looking out for. So early part of the week, we'll watch this 142.08 level carefully and just see how it develops around that area.